Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to stir-fry noodle with onion and spicy sauce. Hope you like it. Ingredients: noodle, bell peppers, eggs, onion. I use thin noodle for this recipe. Cook until the noodles are soft. Once noodles softened, drain noodle and set aside. Bell pepper, remove seeds and sliced. Friends who don't like bell peppers can replace them with vegetables they like. Peel and shredded onion. Onions are very sweet and taste great when used to stir-fry noodles. Beat eggs until frothy and set aside. Stir-fry onion. I forgot to fry the eggs first. It's okay. Just push the onions aside, haha. Cut egg into small pieces. Fried egg set aside. Add bell pepper slices. Add spicy sauce you like. I add La Gamma spicy sauce for this recipe. Add water and stir fry. One teaspoon salt. One teaspoon chicken powder. Add noodle. Stir fry and let noodle absorb the flavor. Add dark soy sauce to add color. Add fried eggs. Easy fried noodle is ready to be eaten. Fried noodle is fragrant and delicious. By the way, if you are looking for delicious noodle recipes, welcome to check out my noodle recipe playlist. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel, do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.